In this video, I will guide you how to apply Umrah visa. Also, we will discuss the issue. So for example, I applied for e-waiver visa on 26 September for the first applicant and I got the visa. It says visa printed. For the second applicant on 26th September it was applied and it's now 1 month, 10 months. But I'm not getting the visa. I've contacted the Saudi embassy but there was no good response. They don't reply you, they don't reply to your emails, so there is no way. Now if you have that kind of an issue, you need to apply again. Now let's discuss how to apply, but before that, if I show you the visa which I have applied, how does that look like? So for that I will click on the name on top and then you have the visas. So you have three options: visa application, number 2 visas, third inquiries. They won't reply you. So this is the applicant. I have applied already. So if I click actions and download, I can also cancel the visa, but if I download, this is 180 days residence visa. So this is the visa, and on the left side you will see the picture. On right side they have provided English and Arabic both, and make sure you have this details over here because they will scan this code over here when you will try to enter the Saudi Arabia. You can do Umrah on this visa. Now where does that says? So for that we will go on gov.uk. In the search section just write travel Saudi Arabia or just write Saudi. Then click over here, then Saudi Arabia travel advice. Once you're on gov.uk, go down, then at the bottom you have the requirements over here, visa requirement. Applying for an e-visa. And if I go down, applying for an electronic visa waiver. At the bottom it says Umrah, outside Hajj season. So outside Hajj season, you are allowed to apply Umrah visa, and you can you basically apply for e-waiver, which is £30 only, and you can do Umrah in that. Further it says an electronic visa waiver allows you to enter Saudi Arabia once and stay for up to 6 months, so 180 days. So if I go back on the visa applicant, so you can see over here at the bottom it says 180 days, duration of stay 180 days. Now let's apply for the new one. So if I go back again, and I have the option on the right side, apply for visa now. Click on this link. Now this asks me visit, transit, work, Hajj, others. Then I'll click others, and then over here you have electronic visa waiver. Click apply. Just keep the application simple. Follow the steps which I'm doing. And then how to get an e-visa, click agree. Next step is you just read everything and then click agree. Now the questions are electronic visa waiver. Someone asked me about the transport mode. That what is that? So you have three options, and that applicant was saying that by air was not showing. So I was not sure why, but it always show. So just refresh the page if it's not showing. So by air, obviously this was the departure country, so United Kingdom. So over here you'll mention United Kingdom. Next step is personal information, your current nationality, image should be with white background. That's important. You can take picture yourself, and we have done that before, so it did work. Previous nationality, passport number, passport type, issuing country, date of issue, expiry, place of birth, date of birth, copy of passport, sex, purpose of visit. So in purpose of visit you have option study, tourism, treatment, business. So we'll select tourism. So obviously it don't say Umrah, but you can do you're traveling over there, but you can perform Umrah as well, as I showed you on gov.uk. You will provide your mobile number, occupation status, occupation detail, address. So in the address you will mention the hotel name. That's the best way. And email address. In which country you are filling visa, so you'll select that. So obviously this is United Kingdom, so you're applying from United Kingdom, so select that. There you go. Okay, port of entry. Now everyone get confused with this because there are loads of airports and you don't know which one. So the best is go on ChatGPT and just write tell me the names of the Saudi airport. Okay, traveling from UK. Okay, when you will mention UK, obviously it will give you the details, so you don't need to worry about the spelling, it will correct itself. So Riyadh, Jeddah. So most of them King Abdulaziz International Airport, Jeddah. And if you're flying back from Medina, then Prince Mohammed bin Abdulaziz International Airport. So this one, Jeddah, because Mecca is near that. So King Abdulaziz International Airport. If I go back on my application, then I'll select King Abdulaziz International Airport. This is how you will do it. So you don't get confused. You'll provide your flight number if you already have, enter entities and all these details, and then save your application. I have filled the application now, and it says I have to pay $41. So it's always shows in dollar even if you are in UK. So this is how I'm doing it. I'm not a solicitor, I'm just guiding you how I'm submitting my application for the Umrah visa. On next page is asking me for the payment details. So I'll enter the visa fees, which is $41, and I'll hit pay. You need to enter your card details over here first. Now I have received the code on my phone. I'll click confirm. Once the code is verified, the payment will be done. It usually takes few seconds to do this. On my card, it has taken £31.32. So it's as per the conversion rate. It cost me today £31.32 for this visa application. So let's see. Visa has been issued successfully with the number of this and sent to your email. Wow. So looks like the visa is already done. Now I have received, let's see. So the transaction number is this, visa fees is this, and this is the date, total amount $41. Now if I go back, see on my application, so this is the first one which I have applied and this got refused. Reason, the mistake which I did, the middle name was missing. So I have updated again, and you need to make sure you have 6 months visa valid. If you start one application, then make sure on your browser you only have one application. So if I click view over here, I can see my visa application and I can download it as well. So this is how you have to apply for Umrah visa. It will only cost you $41 and £31 as per today's conversion rate. I hope this video helped you. If you have come to my channel first time, don't forget to subscribe, and you can follow us on Instagram, WhatsApp or Facebook.